We just gotta grind for that paycheck. Mama told me one day I'll be famous. Remember when she used to say she hate this. Back then they would laugh when I say shit. Now I'm inside all them people's playlists. So one day I'll be stomping on those stages. But right now we just dancing in the basement. Got inside the basement. Said it's 4 a.m. still with wavy tweaking bases. Learn this shit ourselves on my own time. I made shifts. Shooting for the moon, gon' turn this Honda to a spaceship. Sure they won't fuck with me. I just wanna get some rain and sleep. Shit a little free, yeah.
This is not sponsored at all, but listen, I'm rocking with Green Chef. They do an amazing job of just sending you meals that you would never even think about trying. So if you're transitioning over to a plant-based diet for weight loss, health reasons, whatever the case is, you just want to try new things, or you're having a hard time navigating your way through a meatless, dairy-free diet, like there's so many options. Let Green Chef help you out. Between my YouTube channel and my Instagram, ordering for companies like Green Chef, like I feel like you're on the right track. I really can't explain how that tastes. It's spicy. Well, the Brussels sprouts are spicy to me. Little Turkish spice blend that goes on the Brussels sprouts, but I really don't even know how to explain this. Like, it's nothing I've ever tasted before. It definitely feels like a quinoa salad though. It's not nasty. It's just so many different like foreign flavors. The shallots are very strong. The apples and the figs do bring a good balance to it. I love putting nuts and stuff in like my salads and my food, so it's cool. In the basement singing la 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 la, yeah. Made that ass drop. So I just had the white bean soup. I feel like I burnt the potato, the sweet potato, and that fucked up the whole dish. But it was like it was calm. I just feel like I burnt it and I couldn't get over the burnt taste of the sweet potato. That, and also they left the skin on the sweet potato. The sweet potato was already diced. They usually send sweet potatoes like in its regular form. Like I made, what did I make? There was another dish that I made with Green Chef where I had to cut the sweet potato. So, it was like a Brussels sprout salad. It was Brussels sprouts, kale, and apples and stuff. I had to cut the sweet potato in that, but I guess for this soup, they wanted it to be like fuller and they just wanted to do it for me or for us to make it easier. I don't know. They didn't take the skin off the sweet potato. That's what I mean. And I don't keep skin on my potatoes when I make soup, like ever, when I make soup from scratch myself. So I feel like it just messed it up for me because the texture part of it, like I wasn't with it, y'all. I wasn't really feeling it. I don't like skin on my potato in my soup. But yeah, I'm recovering from a cold. I was sick for like 2 weeks. I just wanted to come on here and say thank you to all of you who are subscribed and who continue to support me. I really do appreciate y'all, and I'm trying to put out as much content as possible, and I hope that you enjoy this video.